Alright, welcome back to Tech Expert Reviews and Unboxings. Today we got a language translator device. AI powered. Let's get to it. Alright, today is really going to be neat because we got ourselves a language translator device powered by AI voice translator beyond the language barrier, as it says clearly right there. Right there. This is really neat because this is in the shape of a really old style looking cell phone. And that's what I really like about it. It looks like a really old, one of those old fashioned cell phones, or at least one of those really small cell phones. It looks like a cell phone that one of the first cell phones that I got back in the day. But here you got your voice translator operation manual right here that goes through all the specs and all the information and all that type of stuff, and it's written in other languages and and things of that nature. So that's really good to have. Here you get the actual device itself. Again, this looks exactly like a small cell phone. It's really cool looking. What else do we get inside the box? Inside the box, not much. Just your USB cable for charging it up, I would assume. Let's move all that aside. Bring in the main prize. Right here on the side, you got your power button. And you got your multicolor little switches here. I'm not exactly sure what that does at the moment, but we'll find out. Let's power this thing on. Welcome. I mean, look at that. I mean, like I said, it's like a cell phone. It's really like a cell phone. That's what I really like about this, man. This is so cool. Just flip up or flip to the side. All right, let's go in for a closer look. You got your photo translation. You got your conference. You got your recording. You got your voice translation. And you also have exchange rate conversion. Going to the other page. You got your setting. You got your WLAN. I'm not exactly sure what that is. You got your AI assistant. You got your text translation, and you also have office translation. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's go to the settings. And in the settings, you got, again, whatever that WLAN is. You got Bluetooth. You got sleep. You got agent mode. You got language, you got date and time, mode, clear data, storage, offline package management, and about us. Very cool. Okay. Okay, let's go into photo translation. Because quite frankly, not going to be able to understand this. For very obvious reasons, unless you can read that. I cannot. So let's focus out. Let's focus in on this. Just like this. Take the picture. Size it up. You can size it up, like that. Hit the OK button. It will scan. And it says recognize fail. Retry. Retry again. And that, for whatever reason, did not work. So let's try that again. Take a picture of it. And it says recognize fail again. So I mean, it's hit or miss with this, really. I mean, it's a fun little thing to have and try out and things like that. Let's try the recording. Let's have some fun with this right quick. Who the bucket da? Who the bucket you da bucket da 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 bucket da? How did you do the bucket? Who the bucket da? Who the bucket da? Who the bucket da? Do ba 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 bucket da bucket da da. Look at that. Order, welcome to die. Who do you book? You are about bid in the door. Oh, God. That's funny. Let's speak in tongues. Let's see what this thing does when I speak in tongues. Who's a bucket? Who the bucket? Who the bucket? Who the bucket? Do ba. Who the bo do about the do that? Who the bucket? Who that bucket? Do the bucket? Do. What would you do? What about the city? He said, what would you do? What about the city? Do what would like to see? Who are Pakistani truth to work overhead at all? What would you do? What? This is what this thing thought I said. In speaking in tongues. So that's funny. That is really funny. All right. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Speaking in tongues only. Let's see what this is. Who shall buy got the tutor boat to the bucket to the bucket there? Who did you do the bucket to the bucket to the bucket there? Who does the bucket to the bucket to the bucket to the bucket to? Okay. Let's see what this thing thought I said. It thought I said, and I have no idea what I said, but let's see if this thing knew what I said. Whose have I got a total border to talk about attitudes through the what? I'm not even sure. Did it you to go to the topic to talk about it, to hold out a package there? Who just above it I don't work at the world. Okay. I mean, you can see what it says there. You can totally see what it says there. So, you can have fun with this. I mean, it's nothing to take seriously. Obviously, I mean, if you're bored and want a hobby and want something to pass up the time, I mean, you got it right here with this AI translator device thingy. You know, I mean, it is what it is. And yeah, there you go. So that will conclude in today's video, guys. If you liked this video, thought it was funny, thought it was humorous, give it a thumbs up. If not, let me know why. I don't think I want to know why in this case, but hey, let me know anyway. Again, like I've said in many of my videos, there's always room for improvement. Always, always, always. Okay, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Click on that notification bell if you have not done so, because you do not want to miss another video specifically like this. And you never know in my videos. You never know. Trust me, you never know, and I absolutely guarantee you, you don't want to miss it. Absolutely do not. I upload every single Monday at 6 p.m. and spread the word, share the word, let any and everybody know about this channel. And again, liking the videos helps out the videos, helps out the channel way more than you will ever understand and realize. If you are a YouTube content creator, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. The more likes the video has, the more YouTube will recommend it to the masses of YouTube creators out there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Can't do it without you. And until next time, I'll catch you later.